Setting up a business in 2023 really can't be any easier. By following this guide, you're going to be able to come from just being a normal guy, normal girl, to the point where you're actually a legitimate business owner and you are running your own Amazon FBA business. Welcome back everyone to the channel. My name is Damien, AJFBA/Deal Hunters. That's what we're all about. We're here to try to hopefully help as many people set up either a side hustle or a legitimate business that can make you financially free. This is a great business model. It does require time, but that is very much it. If you can put the time and the effort in and understand how this business works, it can make or change your complete life forever. This is part 2 of a 7-part series. The first part was all about which way do you want to set up your business, limited company or self-assessment. So I'm assuming you have chosen to be one or the other. Now, if you've chosen self-assessment, you do not need to do this step, but I still recommend doing this step because it makes life a lot easier. And this step is setting up your bank account. The reason I say you don't need to do it is self-assessment. It's just like a normal job. It goes into your personal account and your outgoings, income, and that is just up to yourself. Now, the only thing is when you do your self-assessment, if you've made 10 grand and you have 5 grand of losses, you have to account for that. Now, you can do that for a spreadsheet, software tools, and different things, which we'll talk about in future videos. But the problem with that is it can be a bit muddled up, and it's so easy to set up a business account, and it doesn't cost you anything to set up some business accounts. I just recommend clean slate. There's your business account. Money goes in, money goes out. It's completely and utterly to do with your business. The other thing within that as well, if it goes into your personal account, you are leaving your personal account open to HMRC, the tax guys, to come along and have a look at your personal spending. And I'm not saying that there's going to be anything bad in there, but if there was something in there that you wouldn't want them to see, they could potentially have the option of seeing that. So that's another thing you want to potentially just keep separate. However, if you have chosen that the personal bank account is for you, then you can skip this video and go on to step 3. Now that those people are all gone, we can talk about setting up your personal business account. Now, there's many different companies out here that will do your business account. You can just type in business account into Google and a lot of companies will come up. I have tried several. I've tried 3 to date, and you can see here a lot of different things come up. Virgin Money Business, you scroll down here, all Starling Bank, whatever else. I've tried Starling Bank, really highly recommend the Starling Bank. That was the one that I really wanted to do. But when I tried to first set up my first business, I had a lot of issues. They wanted you to hold your hand. They wanted you to tell your whole story. They wanted your life on a bit of paper, which I don't mind doing, but it was just a lot of effort, a lot of pointless kind of questions. I just wanted to go, I'm setting up an Amazon FBA business. I'm looking to buy and sell products. You know, fill in the blanks yourself kind of thing. But no, this one, you know, how much profit will you be making? How many employees? Where you're going? What do you see yourself in 5 years? What time is it in your location? You know, it was just, there's too many questions. Just go away. So I didn't particularly like Starling Bank 4, but if you're okay with that, they do have good benefits. They are one of the cheaper ones. And again, you can go into your comparison sites here. There's a lot of different banks that you can pick. And I will do a video probably on that at the time, but I don't want to overcomplicate things. I just want to say that this stage is about setting up a bank. The bank that I personally recommend, because again, no fees. Again, shout out to Gino. We've been chatting. We've been trying to set him up to start his journey in the Amazon FBA. Again, coming through the whole Deal Hunters. And that brings me on to Deal Hunters. Deal Hunters, free Telegram group, free website. All this stuff is coming, depending on when you're watching it. We will be growing that, but currently there's a free Telegram group, free deals, free chat, free support. Leave comments down below underneath this video if you have any questions at all. Try to keep the comments relative to every video and we will always get back to you. I can assure you that the whole idea is to try and help as many people. So check out the free group, get in, get free deals to help grow your Amazon business. The bank of choice is Tade. Now, there's a link down below that will give you £50 towards your business. £50 might not seem like a lot of money, but when you're starting your Amazon FBA business, there's a lot of outgoings initially at the start, and it could rack up to easy £300-400 in your first month. Free £50 by clicking the link down below. You can set up your HMRC, which we covered in the last video, and Tade in one day. You could do this in an afternoon. It is as simple as that, but you have to do it in this step-by-step process, because Tade will ask you what's your self-assessment, UTR, your unique tax reference number. They will ask you for your limited company if you've went down that route. So you need to have that details before setting up your bank account. It just makes it more streamlined and quicker for you. Tade has a slick website. It's all online. Again, what I like about it is the fact that it's online. You can also deposit cash at like Asda and post offices and stuff. They are an online, reputable, FCA regulated, so your money is safe and backed by the government, so you don't need to worry about anything like that. And here is the prices. You can set up for free. You get your Tade business card. If you need more than one person, you can add that on if you wish. Transfers in and out is 20p per transaction, and that's transfers in and out. So if you transfer £1,000 to yourself, you'll pay 20p for that transfer. If someone deposits money if you deposit money into your bank account, you will pay a fee. So if you had £500 in cash and deposit, you will pay a small fee. But see, compared to most, this is very, very competitive, and you should check that out. But in my opinion, Tade will be hard to beat. And that's why we're with them, because it's all about saving money. This is all a case of why pay more. I'm a big believer in that. Everything we will be bringing you on this channel has been searched by our team, has been searched by me, it's been vetted by me. I make sure that everything we have is usually the best value for money while giving you the same service. And we'll cover about other tools and stuff that is coming up that will provide you with all that. But you can see here, ATM withdrawals is £1. But these are things that really doesn't matter to my business. It's not the type of business. We're not talking about a cash and carry here. We're not talking about cash in hand selling the marketplace. This is based on Amazon FBA. So these fees you're seeing, these aren't applicable. Transfers out might be applicable, but the ATM withdrawals really shouldn't be applicable. Why would you pay that when you could transfer it to your own account and then take out the money? But depending on your business, you might have to take out some cash, whatever that may be. You can schedule payments, accountancy integrations with QuickBooks, and that's something that we will talk about later, is how to do your bookkeeping. That is part 6 of the videos. I'm just remembering my notes here. That is going to be part 6 of the video, so that's still to come. You can hold up to 5 business accounts, create and send invoices for free. Things that you don't get that is perhaps worth considering is the likes of your 24/7 legal helpline, phone support priority, exclusive member perks. These are the different things, and you can see here cashback. Depending on how much volume you're doing, the cashback could be very much worth it. But to get the cashback, you need to be going up to 49, 50 quid plus VAT. So probably £60 a month. You need to be doing some serious spending for the 0.5% cashback to really be worth it. For me, it's got to be, as a beginner, it's got to be free and plus. But the free is more than enough, guys. It really, really is, especially if this is a side hustle. You don't need to consider anything else. As your business grows, you won't mind paying a bit more. So bear that in mind. Start off, as always, the lowest or the free option, and work your way up. If you feel you need the benefits, you feel your business has grew to the point where you need this extra stuff, then you don't mind paying for it. It makes financial sense. As you grow, your business grows, and that's the cleanest way. Don't go, oh, I'll get that cash back and pay 60 quid, pay for the dearest memberships, pay for that, pay for that. Try to get as much, especially at the start, free subscriptions, free trials. That's why everything we're pushing on this channel, we're hoping it's going to give you at least a month's trial, 3 months trial. So you can kind of almost do this whole Amazon FBA for a couple of months, no real outgoings. And if it doesn't work out, nothing ventured, nothing gained. That is tip 2. But set up a bank account, go on the money supermarket, go on the compare sites, check out my video if I've done it already. I'm getting around to it. See which bank account works for you, what your business is suited to. But trust me, if you want to just forget all about that and take my word for it, Tade is as good as it goes. The link again is down there for free, £50. I will catch you in the next video. Part 3 is all about the things you should do before you sign up to Seller Central. I've covered it in other videos. A lot of people sign up to Seller Central straight away and then do all this here. And this can take you a couple of weeks and you're paying a subscription. That is pointless. Again, it's all about saving money. Please like and subscribe if you found these videos informative. Really appreciate everyone that does that. And again, check out Deal Hunters for free. Catch you in the next one.